Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a PointKit program. This is a program that allows you to align meshes, and it's much better than MeshLab because it's work faster and provide better results and don't crash like MeshLab. So to start to use the program, press the Load File button and navigate into the folder where the scanner save the meshes. Usually this is passed to your project folder with the project name. So I select the first file and holding the shift, selecting the last one to select all files. You can select the files in any other way and open these files. Now, important to note that now when you see this dialog, do not check this first checkbox. Left only second one. Now press OK. Now you can see the stone that was scanned and consists from several meshes. The next step is click Align button. Oh, you can see this error. Something was wrong. We need to select meshes that we want to align. For this, we click the first one and holding the shift, select last one. Now we can see that all meshes selected, and now click Align. Align is complete, but we can make additional optimize alignment to better align meshes to each other. It's take more time, but now meshes are more accurate. The next step is finalize. You don't need to change the settings, but you can find all about this in documentation. Just depend on your requirements, but for example, we select like this and click finalize. Now you can see the final result. You may note that all icons is hidden and we can see only final mesh with letter F. And this is it. This is our final mesh. If we want to delete some elements, we can use hotkeys to understand if you forget or don't know how to use hotkeys, you just navigate help hotkeys and we can see that space, hold down, select points. So now I press the space bar and drag the area where I want to select the points and click and press the delete key on the keyboard. Now we receive this final mesh. There is some additional functionality that you can read about this functionality in documentation, but for example, you may need to make some, for example, if your mesh is very big and you want to reduce the size of this mesh, you can use some of these filters. Please note that this can reduce the quality. I just show you an example, so you can see the quality will be reduced. Now we lost some information, but the file become less heavy and it will be easily processed with some CAD programs. Now, how to save this file? We select this mesh. You see, not selected. Make sure that it's selected and navigate into the file, save, select it. Select export. And now you can see that you can select extension for the file you want to save and select this item. Select it. Now you can select the path to the folder where you want to save and click Save. That's it. You receive your mesh and you can use it in any CAD program, Blender, or whatever you want, or even combine with other mesh from this model. So you can do this twice, and to close the hole, you can scan the model from two sides and combine after this, repeat the same step. For example, load, oh, sorry, new project, open files, and you can see this final mesh that we just saved. You can upload another meshes and combine them the same way and generate the final result. But this is a question for another tutorial. For now, you can use the help in the program and information on the site PointKit to get additional information how to use any additional functionality. You don't need to use this scanner menu or connect because D3D-s scanner use oven algorithms, and this functionality, scanner and connection, are not necessary to use inside this program. So just ignore this scanner menu and connect to the scanner menu. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye.